one yet?
No, nobody. This car only has 4,000 miles.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, I'm glad I can break it already. I don't want to work on BMWs anymore. There's way more room in this thing.
Really?
Yeah, like the cross member's right here on the BMW. And then the tranny tunnel comes down further. So you can't even see these bolts, any of those bolts.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're going to get a lot of practice because I want to do it on my M5.
Yeah.
The M5.
That's it. The V8 car, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it the same one?
No, this is just
Same trans though? 8 HP?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, same. It just obviously a little bit.
Yeah, different bellhousing to fit the V8 car.
But it'll be the same thing. But I mean, the plan is to build this one, the M4 and the M5, just to have them all built. So like
pull the trans out, pull the torque converter out, drop the pan, a couple bolts in there, pull the front pump out, and then everything will come out.
Gotcha.
So like I have to pull this valve body, but the valve body is like just one big piece.
Right.
I just drop it out, just a lot of bolts. Yeah, then I'll pull all that out.
It's supposed to be 7 quarts. Is that 7 quarts?
No, that's not 7 quarts.
So then you just gotta start. You would have to start.
Well, the
it.
torque converter is going to have probably 5 quarts in it, 4 quarts in it.
Oh really?
Yeah. But yeah, that sounds about right. But it's not my first one. Dude, there's so much more room in this. Everywhere in this chassis, yeah. But you can't reach this in the BMW.
This is where Toyota comes into play, my boy.
Yeah, Toyota's always superior.
I'll try to go get more fluid. How much do we need? How much do you have?
I have,
Like 3 quarts?
I have 3, yeah, I have like 3 quarts. So my bottle's like here.
So with your bottle, this one, and he has one at work, it should be good, no? I mean, he has one, Trevor has one too. Like halfway.
Yeah.
I'll see.
I think we're close.
Huh?
I think we'd be close.
I did my
It's 7 total, so yeah, there'll be 3 in the torque converter, but how much is leaked out of it? That's 3 in the torque converter full. So the torque converter's, you know, vertical, so it's leaked out. So there's probably 2, 1.5, 2 in the torque converter right now.
Alright, I'm gonna go get it then.
Okay.
How long do you think we would have taken to drop the transmission?
At least 20 minutes longer.
At least 2 days?
Dude, I was thinking more like 20 minutes, Felipe.
20 minutes, huh? That's why we called Ali, because it takes longer. Do whatever you gotta do, bro. Put it back in my car.
I don't like this game anymore.
So sad how they use everything from BMW.
Germany.
Everything. Like, even this is
Yeah.
everything from the BMW car, except the chassis.
Door, put it in drive. Moving? Yeah, or throttle.